Hi and welcome to the video tutorial of JavaScript. In this video tutorial we will be learning about object set. The set object lets you store unique values of any type, whether primitive values or object references. Set objects are collections of values. You can iterate through the elements of a set in insertion order. A value in the set may only occur once. It is unique in the sets collection. NaN, that is abbreviation for not a number, and undefined can also be stored in a set. All not a number values are equated, that is NaN is considered the same as NaN even though NaN is not equal to NaN. So let's see how to use the set object. Let's create our project file set.html, and here we define the script object, and let's get started. So I'm going to define my set1 equals new set. So this defines the set object. Now I'm going to add some values. My set1 dot add 5. So I'm going to also add some text here, and an object const a is equal to object a colon 1 colon 2 my set dot add. As you can see, I have added integers, a string and object into the set object. Now if we console.log my set, save the file, go to the project folder, here it is. Here if I go to home, projects, JavaScript set, and double click on the set, I can see the results in the console. We have 4 entries, 1, 5, sum of text and object holds a1 b2. That's we are here so far. So the next step, if I want to delete 5 from the set, I can say my set dot delete and 5. And now if I console.log the set items, I won't see 5. So before deleting 5 I have 4 items, and after deleting 5 I have 3 items left. So now I'm going to check my set dot has 5. It should return false because there is no 5 in the console.log. Refresh the browser and it returns false because there is no 5. I have deleted it in this step. So the next thing we can see is dot size property. So if I say console.log my set1 dot size, it should return 3. So it returned 3, and this is how it looks in Firefox, and this is how it looks in Chrome. Okay, iterating through sets. We can iterate through the items of the set in various ways. One is to the for loop. So here I can say for let item of my set1 and console.log item. If I refresh the browser, you can see it have iterated through all the elements of the set1, some text and object. Let me comment those so we are clear here. So this is the for loop, and it have iterated all through the items in the JavaScript set object. Similarly, we can print out the keys in the set object by using the keys function of set. So if I say keys, and now if we refresh the browser, it only keys. And if I say values here, and I refresh the returned the values. Okay, it's the same both the cases. And then we have the array.from. We can convert set object to an array object using the array.from. So if I declare an array here, const my array equals array from and my set1. If I console.log my array, and if I refresh the browser, you see we now have an array of the similar value with an index 0, 1 and 2 that we imported from the set object. Similarly, you can add the whole document body, that is the DOM body object, in the set. So if I say here my set1.add document.body, and if I console.log my set has body, okay, let's refresh the browser and it says false. Added the body of the document, my set1.add. Okay, refresh the browser, my array is not defined. Okay, here's my array. Okay, document.body, my set1.add document.body. Okay, it only works in the HTML document. If we have the HTML document, then this works. So for this we need an HTML document and a body tag as well. So if I now refresh the browser, still says false. Okay, removing duplicates from the array. You can also use the set object to remove duplicates from an array. That is also an additional facility that you can use. So if I have an array of numbers equals 2 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6, and I want to remove the duplicates from this array, what I can do is I can say console.log and new set numbers. So I just need to pass the array to the set object, and if I save this and refresh the browser, you can see it has removed all the duplicates. So I only have 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is an additional facility in the sets. Now let's look at the relation of set object with strings. So going to define a set here, a string. Let text equals Pakistan, and I'm going to declare a set, my set equals new set, and pass the string object to the set object. And if I say my set dot size, it returns me, I forgot to console.log here, it returns 7. because there are 7 characters. Wow, 0, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and if I say my set 0, return one undefined. So yeah, okay, so if I only want to see the contents of my set, it gives me Pakistan. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 7 items in the set. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel TechWeber. If you search TechWeber S, that is TechWebers on YouTube, you will see my channel. Please subscribe to it. If you need any help, please contact me. Thank you very much.